Hi, welcome to Learn English with Johnny. I wake up very early. My alarm rings at 4:30 in the morning. It is still dark outside, but I get up right away. No snooze button, no waiting. I stretch, I move, and I start my day. First, I do squats and push-ups. After that, I walk on the treadmill for 25 minutes. It's not running, just fast walking. It gives me energy and makes me feel good. When I finish, I take a shower, dry off, put deodorant under my arms, and get dressed. Clean clothes, fresh body. Now I feel good. Next, I turn on my PC and spend about 30 minutes editing videos. I cut, I add music, I check the sound. It's quiet in the morning, so it's perfect for focus. Now comes the funny part. Most people eat breakfast, bread, coffee, maybe eggs. But me, I eat a big meal. I eat rice, beans, protein, vegetables, and finish with a juicy orange. It's like lunch at 6 a.m. Strange, but it gives me energy. After eating, I use dental floss. I brush my teeth and I feel fresh again. Then I shut down my PC, grab my keys, and get ready to leave. I unlock the door, step outside, lock it again, walk down the stairs, open the condo door, unlock the main gate, step outside, lock the gate, and finally walk to the bus stop. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. I usually listen to music or just look outside. When I arrive in the city center, I walk for 10 minutes to reach my company. At 8 a.m. sharp, I start work. I work from Monday to Friday, 8 hours a day. My job keeps me busy, but I like the rhythm. After work, I go home, rest, and prepare for the next day. So, yeah, that's my daily routine. Wake up early, exercise, shower, eat a big meal, take care of my teeth, travel to work, and spend the day at the company. It is simple, but it keeps me healthy and focused. I believe routines are powerful. They give us discipline, and discipline gives us freedom. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning some new English words today. Remember, squats, push-ups, treadmill, shower, deodorant, floss, bus stop, city center. These are useful words for daily life. Keep learning and see you in the next video.